Hello guys, and welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a still image or photo from a video in Premiere Pro. So let's imagine that I want to export a particular frame from this video. All you need to do is to move your playhead to the particular frame that you want to export. For me, it might be this frame. Now select this video at this exact frame and come over to this camera icon over here. If you do not see this export frame camera icon, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E and this window will appear. Alternatively, you can come over here and select the plus sign and you'll be greeted with all these button editors over here. You can now select the camera icon over here and drag it into your menu over here. But because I already have it, I'm just going to hit OK. Oh, I took it out. So I'll select the plus sign over here and select it and add it here and hit OK. Now to add a frame, select the export frame icon over here and automatically this export frame window will appear. Give this image a name. I'm going to call it Lady and select your format. You can either use JPEG or scroll down and select PNG. I'm going to leave it at JPEG. The next thing you want to do is to check the import into project if you want to use it in Premiere Pro, but if not, leave it as unchecked and select the location where you want it to be saved on your PC by selecting Browse. And for me, I'm going to select Documents over here and select this folder and hit OK. Automatically, if I go over to my Documents folder over here, I will find the Lady JPEG over here. And that's it guys on how to export still image or photos from videos in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.